Hey guys, what's going on? It's your boy Jason's How To's coming back at y'all with another video, and I actually can't come back at you guys because it's my first video, so I figured I just wanted to set the tone and just say welcome to this channel. If you like How To's, make sure to subscribe. I will be posting 2 of these a week, one on Tuesday and one on Thursday, and I will be giving you guys really good life advice and life hacks that will save you a ton of time. These are all going to pertain to fashion, life, food, just all kinds of areas of expertise. I'm going to be switching it up a lot, but all these tips are going to be useful. So if you're down to follow me on this journey, make sure to like and subscribe. 2 uploads a week. So for this first video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make your own standing desk for free. Now, with a lot of people working from home due to the pandemic and also just an increase in work from home jobs, it's very important that you get a good amount of standing time in. A lot of people sit way too long. Sitting all day is very bad for you. Some people sit like 12, 14 hours a day. That ends up being like really bad for your lower body and just for your overall health as time goes on. Your body needs blood to flow to all parts of the body evenly, and your leg muscles need to be activated so they don't get super lazy and weak. The only problem with standing desks is that at a minimum, they're going to cost a couple $100, and if you want a good one, you're probably going to have to go above $500. So, to shortcut that, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get one for free so you can make sure that if you're a person who works from home a lot or you work at a computer a lot, you'll be able to get the standing desk that you need without even spending a dollar. So without further ado, let's get right into it. So as you can see here, I have a pretty normal desk. I'm lucky enough to have one with like 3 different levels. But there we have my keyboard. Underneath we have my PC, which I love a lot. That's one of my prized possessions. Yeah, and then we have my monitor up there, and so it's and this is a typical pull-out desk. Doesn't go out very far, but I'm going to be showing you guys how we can make this into a standing desk. Very low effort, no money involved at all. So step number 1, you're going to pull this out as far as it can go, and you're going to take the keyboard and you're going to put it on this space. You're going to take your mouse and you're going to move it up. Make sure that the cord has some slack on it so you can actually move it around. Step number 3, you're going to tilt your computer screen back. Step number 3, all you got to do is tilt your computer screen back. Needed 2 hands to do that, but as you can see, it's at a different angle now. And then the last step, step number 4, is just to stand up and work. And as you can see, I have complete control of my keyboard. I can see my screen. And oh, by the way, this tip only works if you have this exact desk and you're 5'7". I forgot to mention that, but I'm sure that will be a ton of people that will still be able to use this. As you can see, there's absolutely nothing wrong with this. Screen's at a good angle, keyboard's at a good angle. Hey, and if this doesn't pertain to you, then just buy a desk that matches your height for standing. And that should be actually something that you could consider when buying desks. So with all that being said, it's your boy, Jason's How To's. I hope that this came in handy. If it did, make sure to like and subscribe. And if you'll probably be seeing this video a couple weeks after it gets posted, because first videos never get pushed like that. So yeah, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to check out my other videos. And that's all I got for you. Peace!